Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Hello and happy Friday of Labor Day weekend. So I am currently in the car. You guys are sitting on top of the dash and I'm about to head out to have dinner with a couple girlfriends. Ailey is staying home with Hanmani and Harabaji, Grandma and Grandpa. And Bernard is out golfing, but he'll actually be back probably not too long after I'm leaving now. So anyway, yeah, today's weather was actually very nice, but it has gotten very hot in the sun. So I'm sweating a little bit. So as soon as I'm done filming this clip, I'm going to pump the AC. Anyway, yeah, so I'm super excited. We're gonna go get some takgalbi in Flushing. And if you don't know what it is, you will see soon because I will, definitely be sharing some clips. But yeah, it's the start of the holiday weekend, so that's exciting. We actually don't really have any plans for the weekend. We might kind of do go out to dinner, like a family dinner on Sunday, because my parents have golf Saturday and Monday, and they'll be using the car on Saturday morning, but otherwise we really just don't have plans. What I might, well, I don't know. I was kind of considering getting a head start on picking up some things for Ailey's party, but I really don't want to do that on a weekend. So I might wait until next week to really kind of go in on that. I actually, just as a side note, ordered a bunch of things online already. I placed a huge Amazon order, I placed a huge Party City order. So we already have things that are gonna come in. Anyway, sorry, that was completely off tangent, just just talking about whatever. Anyway, let me just drive safely and I'll see you at the restaurant. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Yes, so it is the next day. Did not film much last night. It's just, as we ate dinner and hanging out with my friends, so really honestly nothing film. But yes, we are awake now. Ailey and I are kind of having a makeshift breakfast, and then I have my coffee, so that's a must. I have half of a pastry that we got from the Cream Bakery yesterday. Gonna probably finish that. Ailey has a yogurt pouch and she's gonna eat a roasted sweet potato for breakfast. And then I'll have to figure out kind of a more substantial lunch for her. But this is kind of our easy chill morning thing that we're doing right now. But yeah, I think today is just gonna be a home day. We're not doing much. We don't have anything planned. I think my mom is planning to do some cooking. She's gonna make, I think, tteokbokki for lunch, and then we're gonna do hand rolls for dinner. So that's pretty exciting because it's always really good. So yeah, Ailey and I are just gonna eat, and then we'll probably just check in after breakfast. So I wanted to show, I got some new sneakers. Let's do the unboxing. Ta-da! The Aster sneakers. Pretty cute. I like them. I like the little beige, tan, off-white elements. It's a good dad-ish shoe, but yeah, it's nice. I'm excited to try them out, but not now because right now we are getting ready to head out. We're gonna do a little Starbucks run because I still haven't gotten my first pumpkin spice anything. And then probably take Ailey to the playground because it's kind of nice out. So let's get going. Family walk time. Ailey's got her cupcakes. Playground time. That's sand, Ailey. It's okay. She's like, there's something on my hand. It's okay, it's just sand. Wow. It's okay, ta-da. Ta-da, see? Look. Comes right off. Whoops. You gonna hold these? I'll hold these. You don't remember? We came here last time, Booga. Go follow Dada. Oh, there's a big hole. You're doing great. You got this. I'll have to help her so she doesn't like crawl on it. Oh, nope. Step up. Big step. Good. Nice. Good steps, Ailey.
Peekaboo. And hello.
Whoa. It's okay. Just ta-da, ta-da. There you go. Good job. You got it, girl. Oh. Okay. Okay, reporting back several hours later. Starbucks was a bust. The one by my parents is closed for reno. So, oh, what's in your face, baby? So that sucks. Try again another day, another Starbucks. But for right now, we are on our way to Walmart, check out a few things, and possibly may start some of the other like extra shopping I need to do for Ailey's birthday, so we'll also check that out too. So let's go ahead. Got a little snacky babe over here. Hi, cutie. And then up in the front. Let go. Walmart and Lowe's were both a bust, but it's okay because we got Dairy Queen. Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. I've already finished his.
I didn't.
Oh. You look like you were done.
Trying to
My bad.
fat shame me?
My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Ah! Ah! Peekaboo! Hello. Hi. Going back in? Okay. Where's Ailey? Whoa! Hello! Welcome back. Oh, going back in? Watch out, Appa. No. there's no exit over there. Yeah. Hello. You lost the butter. Did you lose the butter?
Oh, the butter? Where?
Yeah. I'm gonna take them off dry first, and then I'll go back for the sauce once I can access it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello. So, oh, my hair's a little bit crazy, but that's okay. So, checking in a little bit later. So, yes. I mean, hello. It's Sunday. Hello. I know this like vlog's gonna kind of be another like all over the place, but it's just like, you know, snippets of things we're doing over the weekend, like holiday weekend. So, you know, we're just chilling. But anyway, so right now we're in the parking lot of a Lowe's because Bernard's trying to go buy a grill. But yeah, so just in the car right now. But yes, this morning we just hung out at the house. We met up with some friends for lunch, stopped by another friend's house, and now we're here, and then we're gonna head back to my parents'. So that is kind of the like extent of our day. Tomorrow, not 100% sure what our plans are. We'll probably be home unless, because we won't have a car tomorrow because my parents are going golfing during the day. So, not exactly sure if we'll be doing anything. If not, maybe just do a little home vlogging. I think the plan is to go out to dinner with my parents tomorrow. We'll see. Things are just kind of like up in the air, you know, very flexible, loose with the plans, nothing crazy. And yeah, but so far, you know, it's like we've done a couple things. It's more or less been a very relaxing weekend. And hopefully, you know, just continues to go that way. Anyway, so that's gonna be it for now. I'll probably check in when we get home. Update. Bernard got the grill. There it is. Blackstone grill. This is what we came to Lowe's for. All right.
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind.